13 products from LumiCharge.
Hi guys!
So ngayon, mag-unbox tayo ng product from USA, guys. So itong product na to from LumiCharge brand. And yung brand na yan, sa USA lang talaga yan available. And ito guys, dineliver nila sa akin 2 weeks lang. Deliver na siya dito kasi ang laki ng shipping fee. So cover nila ang everything, lahat-lahat. So dapat ma-check natin kung ano yung laman. So, this is the salt water. Salt water lamp siya, guys. So, basically, lalagyan mo lang siya ng salt and then water and then iilaw na siya. Ganun siya ka-convenient. Very environmental friendly. So, dalawa. Ang laman niya is the salt water lamp mismo. May salt siya, guys. And tali. Kasi, igaganon mo siya doon. After mo malagyan ng water at saka yung salt, isasabit mo na siya, diba? Why mag-outdoor picnic tayo? Adventure. Gamitin natin to. Picnic kami, guys, para magamit namin to. Next, LumiCharge 3. So, ito si LumiCharge 3 is 10-in-1. Lamp na siya. Pwede speaker, smartwatch, Android, iOS, pwede dito. Of course, meron siyang kasamang pen holders. Kung wari, maglalagay ka ng mga ball pen, signage, pencil pen. So, dito mo siya ilalagay. Yung charger, 12 volts yung AC adapter niya. And of course, our LumiCharge 3. Next, we have this LumiCharge 2. Dalawa yung variant nito. May black at saka silver. Ayan. Same thing pa rin. Meron siyang pen holder. Charger niya meron. But this one is 7-in-1, guys. 10-in-1 may speaker. Ito, wala to siyang speaker. Pero, look. Switch lang natin, guys. Pag gusto nyo ng iPhone, gusto nyo ng Type-C, nasi-switch lang yung baba niya. Then, kung gusto nyo i-adjust yung lights nito, na-adjust din yung mode, yung color, kung anong setup ng dim, and even tong sa baba. And of course, meron tong alarm clock, by the way. Next is the 3-in-1 charging dock. So, dalawang variant din to, white at saka black. Tapos, iba yung design ng charger niya. Hang ano, yung sa Type-C. Tapos, yung charging port. And of course, we have the actual charging dock. Dito mo i-charge yung watch mode, AirPods. Dito nyo ilalagay. So, white at saka black variant. Next is this one, Lumi Mini. 6-in-1 version siya. For iPhone pa rin siya, for iWatch, and AirPods. Dalawa din yung variant na to. White at saka black. Yung naman niya, merong charger. Yung head niya is same lang din sa charging dock. Ganyan yung adapter niya. And then, the variant, black and white. Pero mas magaan tong Lumi Mini kaysa dun sa LumiCharge 2 and 3. How pretty it is. Yung gaan. Ayun o, may pen pa siya dito na lalagyan. Charge yung phone mo, set ng alarm, and it's lang. Meron tayong ice bucket. So, the ice bucket is collapsible, portable, and anywhere you go, pwede mo to siyang gamitin. And meron to siyang LED lights. And of course, meron siyang speaker. You have to compress it para lalaki siya. Yan. Tutulak mo lang, guys. Wala akong force. Ayun! Kailangan itulak natin. Yun! Look at that! Yan yung speaker niya sa ilalim, oh.
Arenola!
LED lights. Tapos na yung party natin, ibabalik na lang natin siya. Ayan siya, guys.
Maganda to pag nag-outing tayo.
Next is, we have this LumiCharge, yung 4-in-1 dock. Ayan yung charger, na meron din siyang charger dito. AC adapter. Tapos, i-rotate lang natin if gusto natin ng pang micro or pang Type-C.